Hello and welcome to Shelter Legal. In this short video I'm going to tell you all about how Shelter Legal works. At the end there'll be a short test, so pay attention. First of all, put the address into your browser. Next you need to log in. Type your username and password into the login box on the right hand side of the screen. Your username is your email address. If you've forgotten your password, click on Lost Your Password and it will be emailed to you. The topics Legal covers are up here in the top menu. There are 9 main subject areas. Let's check out Security of Tenure. This section explains tenants' rights depending on their tenancy type. Once you select a topic, the left-hand navigation expands so you can see what that topic contains. The navigation is also mirrored in the centre of the page, with further information about the pages in the next section below. Let's look at short assured tenancies. This is one of the most popular topics on Legal. Now click on Creating a Short Assured Tenancy for more information. The breadcrumb trail runs along the top of the page and shows you where you are in the site. There's also a link to the site map at the bottom of the page. This site map shows you all the pages on Legal so you can see what's there and hop directly to any page you like without moving down through the structure. Let's find the page on creating a short assured tenancy again. Longer pages have a contents menu at the top. If you don't need to read the entire page, use this menu to jump to the relevant paragraph. There are lots of footnote references here. The footnotes tell you the source of the information. This could be legislation, regulations, case law, or the opinions of important legal writers. Use the footnotes to find out where a piece of law comes from. Now we'll go back to the text. This inline link will take you to further information about tacit relocation on Legal. All the information in Legal is connected up like this. Over here you'll find links to legislation and other useful information. Let's open the Housing Scotland Act 1988. This opens in a new window. We'll close this window now and return to Legal. Here you'll see we also have a link to a useful download, the AT5 form the landlord must provide before the tenancy is created. The search box is in the top right hand corner of every page. Let's search for priority need. Here are all the results. Let's go look at categories of priority need. The glossary explains legal terms and jargon connected with housing and homelessness legislation. You can search alphabetically or by topic. Pick a letter, any letter. Now let's look up a term. Here's the definition of fair rents. This takes you to further information about fair rents. The FAQ section provides quick answers to commonly asked questions. It's updated regularly and the most recent questions appear at the top, but you can also search by topic. It provides links to Answers on Legal and to Shelter's housing advice site for the general public, Get Advice. Let's see what Get Advice has to say about this question. Information on Get Advice is aimed at the general public, so you can print it off and give it to your clients. Legal gives you more in-depth information about the topic. Here you'll find all the forms you'll need for making court applications. All the landlord and tenant statutory AT forms are also here. Let's open the Minute for Recall form. To deliver accurate housing advice, you usually need to know what kind of tenancy your client has. Use the tenancy checker to work this out. The checker takes you through a series of questions so you can identify the client's tenancy type. Pretend a client has come to see you. Ask the client all the relevant questions. By going through these steps, we can work out the tenancy. This tenant has a common law tenancy. This drop-down menu helps you find information for specific groups quickly. This could be useful if you identify your client as being from one of these groups. For example, there's information on asylum seekers and refugees, gypsy travellers and older people. When we update a page on Legal, the page is added to the What's New section. You'll be sent an email update every 4 to 6 weeks telling you about the changes that have been made and why. This is a useful way of staying up to date with changes in legislation. The links on the What's New page will take you directly to the Changed page. If you get stuck, you can access our help page anytime. There's a link in the account box. It has lots of tips for getting the most out of legal. You can use our feedback form to contact us. We're always interested in hearing people's opinions on the site, so please get in touch. However, we can't answer queries in relation to clients. Thank you for watching. Now you can try the quiz to see how much you've remembered.